Now, tingali mamutaan na mga kaisunan. How this church began years ago? Makailumdum ka mo? During your, mutaan na ko din during your anniversary, nabay segment sa iyong anniversary na inyong i-recall kung sa inyong mga experiences before or siguro nakamahimong mo sa pagpangutana sa inyong yung kaagi as a church during sa 2018. So that was 8 years ago. Siguro mas nindot ninyong i-recall kung giunsa niyo pagsugod, how this church managed, hangtod na nahimo siyang ingon ani karon. The sacrifices, the prayers, the persistence despite challenges. Okay? And to us today, ilang ito kaniadto? Ingon pa ni Sister Bright, na ako nung tayo kadasig sa pagpapatupag sa unahan, kung mag-recall na to, kung giunsa ta pag-atiman sa Ginoo sa aming laban mga panahon, right? So it's very important to recall how God was really good in each of our lives and also as a church. Our pioneers planted the seed of faith for future generations. Now, karon mga kaigsunan, is it the new generation, we are the inheritors. Manununod. Ato din muna-unaon mag-igsunan that ang gihimo sa atong mga pioneers mag-igsunan, they are passing that responsibility, that spiritual blessings to our time today. And that legacy will be left behind. To plant the seeds of faith to future generations. Hindi, kung nakihimo sila sa ilang gihimo sa una na we enjoy karon, now then it's our responsibility to do something for the next generation. Just like planting a tree. It says I enjoy, dili sa nagtanong. Di ba? Kung nako kay kahoy, halang salamat kayo kay nindot kayo ang landong sa kahoy, bugnaw. Pero ikaw ba'y nagtanong? And that will stop God and also the person na isang makakabalo na mao'y nagtanong. So yun na sa mga kaigsunan is pura ka na giving and take. So mga kaigsunan, yeah, that's our responsibility now. So that what should push us mga kaigsunan to do that responsibility. Now in Hebrews 12, sa atong gibasa ganina, yeah, I already had emphasized it mga kaigsunan. So, after Paul made us remember kung unsa kaayo ang Ginoo in the past, now Paul is citing at present, how should we live by it? Now mga kaigsunan, this tells us to always have that hope that as run the race with perseverance, the race marked out for us, fixing our eyes on Jesus, the pioneer and perfecter of our faith. So mga kaigsunan, hope gives endurance. Now, it keeps us running despite trials, right? Ngano malahutay magyudta? Ang taong mulahutay, nilahutay na siya, kay naay nag-push sa iyaha, naay naghatag sa iyaha o factor na bisan pa sa kalisod, bupadayon na jud.